Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add short description in product on Woocommerce in your WordPress website, right? As you can see, I'm into WordPress admin dashboard, and in the left side toolbar there is an option of products. I have moved my cursor on the products and automatically a sub menu appeared in front of us having an option of add new product. I'm going to click on add new product. Here we can simply write the product name, for example slippers for bathroom, right, of nylon. I have simply written the product name, right? And when we scroll down, the next section is of product description. Here we can write a lengthy product description and can add images and can add internal or external hyperlinks, can add a bold text or italic text, whatever, right? Scrolling down to the last section, this is product short description. Here also you can write a short description of your product, right? So either you can write it manually or you can take help of AI, right? So here we are using the chat GPT to write a short product description for product name bathroom slippers for women of nylon, including keywords like buy bathroom slippers online, best bathroom slippers for women, slippers for women at discounted price, right? You can add those keywords having good search volume, right? And 250 words. Okay, so our description is ready. We can simply copy this and we can paste in the product short description area. So this is how you can add product short description in WooCommerce on your WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit our blog, read articles related to WooCommerce tutorial. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing course in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.